At the School of Management and Commerce at Medhavi Skills University, we develop future leaders who understand business not just in theory, but through experience. Students explore the foundations of management, finance, accounting, and strategic decision-making, guided by mentors who bring real industry expertise to the classroom. Our programs include BBA in Business Management, BCom in Professional Accounting, MCom in Professional Accounting, and MBA specializations in Strategic Marketing, Business Finance, and Tech HR. From case studies and simulations to live projects and industry interaction, students gain a deep insight into the business world. Every program is powered by MSU's 70% skill-oriented curriculum, designed to make you industry-ready from your first semester itself. As the only university in Sikkim aligned with paid on-the-job learning, MSU ensures that students get corporate exposure and practical skills even before graduation, and with the guarantee that 100% of student applicants receive government scholarships, your journey towards a strong business career stays supported every step of the way.